Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. So, let's see the energy ng inyong love life ngayong August 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or go to directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Yan. Ingat kayo sa mga scammers kasi nagme-message yan sila. Nagpapanggap sila na si Mystic Queen PH. Okay. Scorpio, what's the energy ng love life ninyo ngayong August? It is safe for you to love. This is opening up your heart. Oh, safe daw. Mag-open ka na. I-open mo na yung sarili mo. Pwede kasi may mga doubts ka, may mga trauma ka in your past, and now you think na it's time. It's time to be in a relationship or to connect romantically with someone. Okay, let's see. Overall energy, ano yung challenge? Ano yung opportunity, and where is this relationship or connection going? Tinan rin natin kung ano yung feelings ng person mo sa'yo. At kung ano yung gusto niyang sabihin. Okay. So, overall energy, you have the Three of Wands. So, this is about expansion. Pwede kasi yung iba sa inyo long distance relationship. Okay? Malayo. Someone is also missing you. Pwedeng meron ditong gustong humingi ng chance. Pwede ikaw, humingi ka ng chance sa person mo, or siya, hingi ng chance sa'yo na, to make things work. Or this can be totally a new person na you are trying to connect with, kaya lang may doubts ka dahil kayo ay long distance relationship. Now, your challenge is the King of Pentacles. So, as a challenge, it feels like merong kang doubts when it comes to yung plano niya. Like, ano yung long-term plans? Or para sa future rin kasi, is this relationship practical para sa'yo? Is this person willing to provide para sa'yo? Kasi I think you are also looking for someone na talagang merong leadership qualities pagdating sa relationship. Now, your challenge, ano na to pala? This is your opportunity. The Four of Cups. Oh, okay. So, as an opportunity, I think, marirealize mo kung is this the person na kailangan mo. Kasi Four of Cups is about lacking something. Parang may kulang. So, you have the opportunity to see if satisfied ka ba sa kung ano yung kayang i-offer ng person na to sa'yo. Let's say, for example, sabi niya, sige, mag-ano muna tayo, long-distance relationship. But para sa'yo, you don't want that kind of connection na parang, okay, hindi ako mag-e-effort sa mga ganyan. Parang gano'n. So, gusto mong, kumbaga, tinitingnan mo ngayon, is this someone that I want? I mean, okay ba to sa'yo? Ito ba yung gusto mo para sa future mo? Now, where this relationship is going, Two of Swords. So, since you are somehow doubting the relationship, or not actually the person so pwede kasing you are doubting just the idea of the relationship ninyo, or nagda-doubt ka dun sa intention ng tao na yun So, I think meron kang major decision na gagawin, whether you are ready, no? Kasi pwedeng ikaw yung may issue na hindi ka pa ready na mag-open up sa person na to. Although may potential tong person na to be in your relationship, but you are also, inaalam mo rin kung talagang handa ka ba. Now, ito yung feelings ng person mo towards you. The Eight of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like this person ay mag-e-effort. Willing siya na mag-effort para sa relationship niyo. So, ano siya eh, more on the practical side rin siya sa relationship. Kung ano yung gusto mo, gagawin niya. Mag-e-effort siya. And I think doon ka rin magbabase ng decision mo whether you want this relationship to, go further. Kung ipagpatuloy, ano yung message niya? Emotional intimacy. I'm afraid to truly open up to you. Being raw and authentic with my emotion is something I'm still working on. Okay, I feel like this person is hindi siya masyadong nag-express ng feelings niya. So, pwedeng ikaw, kasi mga Scorpio, they want deep, intense feelings or emotions or connection eh. Yung mga meaningful connections. But pwedeng ang isa sa nagiging challenge mo rito is this person willing to make you feel how you want to feel in the relationship? So, kumbaga sa kanya, pwedeng meron din siyang issues pagdating sa pag-express ng nararamdaman. So, I think itong relationship na to is still in the process of getting to know each other, kung, feeling each other, kung kaya nyo i-handle yung isa't isa, or, to give this relationship a chance. Kasi may potential naman, okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.